Hi everybody, it's Anthony Morrison and welcome to this week's edition of the Success Connection. So if you weren't with us last week, let me recap. What we're doing is we're actually going through my book, The Hidden Millionaire. This was the foundation of my success. I owe all of my success to the 12 principles that I really discovered along the way right here in this book. I'm going to go through each one of these principles in detail here on the Success Connection over the coming weeks. And then at the end, when I'm finished with all of it, if you've been engaged, if you've been watching, if you've been paying attention, if you've been leaving comments, liking it on Facebook, retweeting these things so we can share this information with other people, your name will be entered into a drawing and I'm going to be giving away $1,000 cash, no catches, nothing for sale, just great training, great content to help you have success. So let's get started this week with principle number 2 straight from my book. The second principle to becoming a successful entrepreneur is to realize that new ideas are all around you. Now, people stop and they think, well, what does that mean? Well, how many times, I could count millions, where people send me emails and say, well, I just don't have any good ideas. I want to be an affiliate, but I don't really have any good ideas for ads, or I don't really have any good ideas for things to promote. It's always about you don't have good ideas. Let me explain something to you. It just takes, look, there's an idea sitting right here. You're looking at it this way, so you don't see it. But the idea is still there. So if you were to circle around and look at it from the other side, it may be glaring you in the face. You may then understand, you may then see the idea, right? You just have to look at it from a different angle. For me, growing up, right here in this book, I talk about how there were Beanie Babies. That was a big craze. And I found an opportunity to cash in and sell Beanie Babies right here in our local area and online. I took a hobby like a Mustang and was able to create a $1 million business selling parts for one specific type of car. Then I took another hobby, baseball cards, collecting these kinds of things, memorabilia, and I turned that into a business when I was just a kid. So there's ideas all around you. A lot of times they're close to home. A lot of times it's hobbies, it's things that you do every day, it's things that you use every day that become your biggest opportunity for success. So what you need to do is make a list of all of the things that you can look around. Just think about your life in general, the things that are going on in the world, the things that you're exposed to, the things that you're doing on a daily basis, the things that you use, that your hobbies, these kinds of things, and try to look at them from a different perspective. Stop for a second and look at it and say, is there an opportunity to make money with that? Is there an affiliate program for that? Because you're going to find that a lot of the things that you use on a daily basis, a lot of the things that you're exposed to every day, they have affiliate programs, which means there's an opportunity for you to create success. It just takes you being able to look at it from a different angle. So I want to make sure that you get started with that immediately. New ideas are all around you. Here's what I want you to do in order to continue to qualify for this $1,000 giveaway. Below, I want you to leave me a comment about some possible ideas, hobbies, things that you're exposed to that you think, now after just being motivated to think about it, might be possible good ideas for success, things that might have affiliate programs that you can create success with. Leave me some comments below. Like this on Facebook, retweet it on Twitter. If you haven't joined our mailing list, go ahead and do so now. You can do it right here on this page because we're going to keep emailing you the Success Connection every single week. We're going to keep teaching you, training you, motivating you, educating you, and hopefully helping you create success. So make sure to leave me the comments, stay engaged, and join me right here next week on the Success Connection.